Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina, founder of Jouer Cosmetics, lover of all things beauty, fashion, and decorating. And today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of transforming one of my daughter's rooms into a masterpiece-ish. She's in a rental, so there's not a ton of stuff I can do. We have to work with what we've got, but it's not a bad room, and I just think it could be really charming. We together chose a inspiration room that I'll put here. My job is to try to transform it to get that vibe. So that's what I'm doing. A birthday gift for my daughter. She's gonna be in this apartment, we hope, for a few years, at least 3 years. So I just thought, what a way to make her feel comfortable in a new city and transform one of the rooms. So let's get to it. Just to give you some context, this is the holding room with all of the boxes of stuff going into the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to show you the kitchen as it is right now. It's plain white. There is nothing happening here on the walls and nor the windows. So this is the window there's 2 windows in here. Outside, over here, and I mean the cabinets are pretty. The marble's nice, so it's got some nice elements to it. I'm just gonna kind of zhuzh it up and make it pretty. So this is the wallpaper I've chosen. It's a really pretty kind of cream and black toile, and I don't know if I have enough. I only have 4 rolls for this whole kitchen. I don't think that's enough, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. I definitely want to do this wall here, but it kind of goes all the way up. And I definitely want this wall here and the back wall. So as you can see, the walls are white. There is an electrical panel in the kitchen area. The floors have this really not attractive grout. So I am using TaskRabbit to hang the wallpaper, hang the lights. Here's the guy who is helping us with the wallpaper, and the light guy is behind. So this is all happening on day 1. The wallpaper is looking pretty good. I found this wallpaper on Amazon. It is called Peel and Paste, which is basically like a peel and stick, but you just use water to paste it on, and it comes off really easily, so it's perfect for a renter's apartment. The chandelier I found on Amazon as well, not very expensive at all, and I just think gives the perfect touch. I will link everything I used on my Amazon page and here in this video. I'm going to show you guys a really quick update. It's the end of the day on Thursday and it's coming together. I'm excited. Let me turn on the camera. So if we come in, we have 1 chandelier up. Wallpaper is not finished yet, but I think it's really cute. And we're putting a 2nd chandelier up now, and then tomorrow we're doing the floors. What do you think, Bella? Is it going to be super cute? I think it's gonna be super cute. We are starting day 2. Yes, this room probably needs another trip for me, but we are starting day 2. We have got a TaskRabbit here doing the floors. So we're just starting with the black and white floors. The wallpaper looks so good. Emily's out. She doesn't know really what's going on today. I mean, she knows a little bit, but not a lot. We are hanging curtain rods later. Got these little cute lace panels. They go under a valance. I hope it all works. I have no idea. I wasn't here to measure everything, so I had to like ask for measurements and hope that they were good. So anyway, we're just, so far yesterday worked out. We did the wallpaper, we did the little chandeliers. They are so darling. It looks so good. And yeah, that's what we are doing today. This is the grout that is kind of dark on the white tile, which I don't love. And that's what we're changing. That is going to be hung on the drapes, and I now have a TaskRabbit hanging the rods. I look a little bit of a mess. Emily's out. We are almost done. I mean, I just hung some art. More has to be done. I'm cleaning up right now. Look how cute just the whole window situation is. Anyway, I'm still working. It's nighttime. Everybody's gone. I'm just cleaning up. On my way to the hardware store, I'm about to buy hammer, nails, and some extension cords just to make the whole area a little prettier. So yeah, it's a beautiful day in New York. chilly, but gorgeous. And I'm just hoping I don't get punched in the face, because that's what's happening right now. Alright guys, are you ready for the reveal? Here we go.